Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joey the Veiled Cottage Witch. I am a metaphysical practitioner, a tarot and oracle enthusiast, a folk witch and herbalist, and a collector of oracle and tarot. I am afraid to show you my collection because you might want to call the authorities. I have so much that I love to share. So today I am showing off my Divine Nature Oracle. I brought out my collection of moss agate for you because it just goes so well with this deck. As you can see, it's beautiful. A lot of these were made by my friend Leah from Earth's Heirlooms. I love this goddess one. It's so pretty. So this is a lovely oracle deck. I'll read the inscription inside. It says, "Nature isn't just a place out there. It's also a place in here. You are related to elk and deer, butterfly, gazelle, and tiger. The mountains live in your bones, the rivers in your veins. Wildflowers grow along the chambers of your heart. You weren't born to pay bills and die, distracting yourself with the secondary satisfactions of mortgage and car and happy hour. Your soul is a forest full of stories the moon whispers late at night. Indulge your own nature and rewild your life." Beautiful, beautiful sentiment. This is our guidebook. It is full color. You get the entire cards and a full page of advice for each card. I don't know if you get spreads with this. I haven't seen any, but that doesn't mean you can't make up your own. It's more of like a one card pull kind of deck, which I'm okay with. And then you get this beautiful green pouch that goes with it. And wait till you see the cards, you guys. This is beautiful. Shiny, so pretty. The sides are gilded as well. They are just beautiful. Now, sometimes when the outside is gilded as well, it's hard to shuffle, but as you can see, I'm having no issue whatsoever. So let's set that to the side. Yep. Easy peasy to shuffle. So, yeah, they feel good in your hands. They're not too big. Some oracles can be really big, but I have tiny hands, and so I'm having no problems. So, shall we dive in? I think we shall. Let's take a look at this beautiful deck. This one is card 1. How crazy is that? I just shuffled it. Okay. Face your dragons. Look at that. Beautiful. I am not a person that goes straight for the guidebook, but just to kind of show you what the interpretations look like, I'm going to look this one up for you. Face your dragons. This way you guys, I'm not going to look up every single one, but I'm just going to show you what you're in for if you buy this deck. So, face your dragons. So many of us sweep our discomforts under the rug where they'll be less threatening, less likely to disrupt our state of comfort. But this moment is challenging you to stand in your power and confront what seems overwhelming, intimidating, or downright scary. Crisis is often the companion of opportunity, so look beyond the surface. As poet Rainier Maria Rilke said, I butchering that, I'm sure. Perhaps all the dragons in our lives are princesses who are only waiting to see us act just once with beauty and courage. Perhaps everything that frightens us is, in its deepest essence, something helpless that wants our love. So that's kind of what you can expect for the interpretation. So I kind of like that. But you can get a lot of interpretation by just reading what they have here and then looking at the picture. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. So, card 37, hold your ground. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. I love the back. And I love the artwork. The artwork is just absolutely beautiful in this deck. Remember who you are. An elephant never forgets, Dr. Seuss says. Drink deeply. Love this card. I get this card quite a lot. Submerge. Encourage effortlessness. I get this card when I'm trying too hard. Doesn't have to be that hard. Engage your invisibles. When I think of this card, I think about my servitor. It's like if I'm not working with my servitor enough, then yeah, if you practice chaos magic or work with any kind of guides, this is your calling card to work with your guides. Answer the call. Yeah, if you're not on the right path, this card will come up for you. Radiate self-compassion. That's our cover art there. Be nice to yourself. Seek the symbols. Twirl. Get out there and play like you're a little girl or little boy. Garden the heart. Tend to your emotions. I love that. Honor the ending. Endings are important to celebrate as well as beginnings. Walk the flower path. That card just makes me think that it smells really good wherever she's at. Establish sanctuary. Yeah. We all need to have that place where we can go and be safe. Focus. We all need that when we're scatterbrained. Share your bounty. True prosperity is sharing that bounty. Call on courage. Cultivate divine masculine. Journey. This could be physical journey or astral journey. Embody grace. I love this card. I work a lot with the god Kronos, so this card means a lot to me. How beautiful. Get carried away. Beautiful. Receive your worthiness. Alchemize. Yeah. I love that. Embrace enthusiasm. Time to get excited about something again. Own your power. Yeah. If you're not going to own it, somebody else might. And that's giving away your power. So, bubble up. Allow things from the subconscious to come up and deal with them. Yeah, absolutely. Navigate with heart. Rewild your life. Get crazy, get weird. Yeah. You only live once. In this lifetime, anyway. Stand for justice. Yes, a lot of these can be used for spell work, you guys. A lot of these. Unmask your darkness. Yeah, I like that. It's like a curtain coming out of it. Love that. Burn sacred fire. Yeah. You guys know I like to burn stuff. Begin anew. Look at that butterfly. Yes. Create. Transform. Surrender the resistance. Yep, you got to let it go and let it flow. Speak true. I love that. It's pretty. Listen to your muse. Yep. Kiss the muse. Oh, okay. So we're not just listening. We're going to kiss the muse. This reminds me of Xanadu. If you guys had never seen Xanadu, it's very strange. And it's very old, but it's very beautiful. I love it. I got to watch it every year. Create stillness. Oh, I love this. The water isn't going crazy. It's just like a nice still pond. See if I can get my brain to be like this tonight. Reveal the lies. That's interesting. Dance. Oh, I love that. It's like she's part of the tree. And I love to watch trees dance. That's beautiful. Reclaim innocence. Beautiful. And court the divine feminine. That's beautiful. So that was the Divine Nature Oracle cards. I highly recommend them. They're very great for just pulling one card and, you know, taking the advice on that. And let's do that. Let's do that right now. And let's just see for the collective what kind of message we have for today. Just for today, what message do we have? Honor the ending. All right, let's see. Let's see what it says. The Japanese word akiru means to pierce, to begin, to end. The Ankh, ancient symbol from the Egyptians, seems a perfect companion for this concept, as it was used as a sign of both beginnings and endings. Over and over, we are reminded that endings contain beginnings inside them, and the piercing of grief creates a sacred opening in our psyche, where new life may pass through. We need to mourn our endings and give the heart the space to process loss, but be careful not to tread too closely to despair, for the ending carries new life inside it, and despair keeps us from seeing it clearly. So are we mourning an ending, and we need to embrace that and feel through it in order to let it pass so something new can begin in its place? I love that. That was beautiful and appropriate. All right. So that was The Divine Nature. That is it is written by Angi Sullins, and the art is by Greg Spalenka. So I will put that information down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this deck review and flip through. Please head to my website if you'd like to book a reading, a service, or a class, or purchase my herbal products. And for now, I will see you on the next one. Please live your best life and live for yourself. Bye-bye.